Hello, good morning everyone. Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just gonna make a quick video lesson going over my trade this morning on what was it? Oh, Clvr, multi-day bounce. Just a beautiful, predictable play right out of the watch list. So let's just dive into it. Um, Here we got it right there, multi-day bounce. I also alerted it a few times on Twitter. So the way I took it, got it on a live trade as well. Here, let's just show the daily actually. So we have this huge, beautiful run up here, about 220% spike. And once again, holding key level around 2, down nearly 50% off the highs, showing some signs of bottoming with a nice little gap today. And then fade, but all it did was held 2. Couldn't break that. And that was the key level, started grinding back. As you can see, volume started picking up. That was kind of the key indicator besides it holding that key level and the pattern being good. We got an increase in buying, confirming shorts are getting out of this. Some buyers are coming in. And then, like I usually say, once it set, after it sets that high and at whatever time, we're looking for the high day break at that point. So I took it right away, 225 as it was coming back. Chopped around for a bit, was a little annoying, but kept holding trend. And from there, we just got a nice savage push, just exactly what I wanted. And I took it off in parts. Usually I don't do that, but I'm trying to become a better trader and be more patient. Should have probably just let this run and then be selling somewhere here into the highs as it breaks. But not bad at all. My best sell was within less than 7 cents or so from the high here, so not too bad. But I just want to go over the quick pattern here of a multi-day bounce. Easy, quick, predictable. Ideally, after it sets a red day, you want shorts to be in control for a bit. You want it to go way off the highs. The pattern here really is just capturing the spike from shorts covering their position to lock in gains. So, yeah, that's kind of it. We got another potential one right here. Nrsn still holding up, kind of choppy, but holding around 4 here. I think this could offer a potential bounce here soon. We'll just keep an eye on it, but not acting as nice as Clvr. The other one, the volume was way better, as you can see here. Yeah, so good trade there. We got other setups. No, Gfai looks done. I was looking for this for potential breakout. We got a nice breakout pre-market. I wanted to test the low 2s or so. If it fails to break down, comes back for a high day break, I could see a move. But right now, it being below VWAP, below the breakout level, having a hard time kind of start grinding back. We are making higher lows, but also lower highs here. So this is just more of a waiting game to see which direction it chooses. If it does decide to go up and break the high a day, I'll consider getting in for it to test 2. Besides that, here we go. This is a nice move here. But besides that, there wasn't really much for Gfai. Let me go over it again just to make sure. Yeah, it usually looks like a one and done kind of play. Had this hard choppy mess here. Once again, hard time with the break over the red candle. I've gone over that a few times. Sells yesterday. I traded it. It was choppy. It did offer a nice move, but nonetheless, it was so choppy throughout the whole day. Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Even when it goes sideways here, it's in a range from around the low to mid 4s to just under 4. So it's a pretty decent range, almost 10%. So very choppy, even on this upside here when shorts were getting squeezed, but nothing spectacular for a short squeeze. Like on a play like this should have taken off. So just not the greatest play, but that was over a red candle. Just something to learn. They don't always not work, but keep in mind, especially when they have a lot of volume on that day, it might have a hard time pushing higher as it's got to filter through a lot of shares and shorts. But regardless, yeah, decent morning. I'm not going to just start rambling here. Oh, I missed. This is one I actually missed today. I totally underestimated it. Cheaper play. I don't normally play stuff like this. Just doing insane volume and breaking out over 32. I thought it could get to 50. And that's exactly what happened. So when I saw this go without me, as I was looking at other plays, I was kind of annoyed. But really nice to be able to have another opportunity and maximize on that. This thing is looking toppy now. We got a triple top, volume slowly fading. I was thinking it should get to the mid twos percentage wise. According to the data, it's reaching exactly what it normally does. So if it were to fail here, I would not be surprised at all. So yeah, let's just wrap that up. Decent morning. I'll come out with another video lesson later on tonight, going over the day in total and any other lessons, anything else that moves. And Nrsn, I'm really hoping this is going to be a good opportunity here. Really excited for it, but I think that's the morning. Wrapping up March on a good note. Got a couple days left, but so far Monday, Tuesday, decent quick trades. Kind of picky, not expecting too much. I think that's one thing that fucks up my trading is my expectations. When I just take my quick 10 to 15%, usually I'm not disappointed. When I start looking for home runs, 25% plus, in my eyes, not the best returns for me. But yeah, I'm starting to ramble. This thing here, Tcbp, I don't know if I went over it. Actually, I'm looking for that 180 break. We got a fake out yesterday over the 160s here, and it held nicely. And as we could see, it held the 160s, came back, 150s, came back with a vengeance, and it's consolidating. So if this keeps holding up, keeps holding the 185 area, this thing might be a chase at this point now. But I think this could head higher. Looking at this chart, oh my god, I could see this thing being in the high twos in no time. So we'll see how this thing works out. Not much overhead resistance. We're breaking over key areas with good volume. This might invite some more volume in. But here we are testing too. What a beautiful play. It is choppy, but it's holding trend, solid pattern. Just got to be patient. So that's that for this morning, and we'll come back later with a video lesson. Hope everyone's had a great morning. Please follow our Twitter. Let me get to that. I post a watch list there every night. I update it in the morning with my top tickers that I'm watching. So definitely some good moves to expect when you're looking at that watch. Oh, here we go. As you can see, everything I'm kind of talking about. I alert a lot, and then in the morning, here we go. These were my main watches going into the morning. Clvr, Nrsn, decently right now. Gfai did the play pre-market behind it. And then Rev B, that's still just a waiting game. It's just failing now. Yeah. So we'll see if this thing could ever come back to the breakout level. But right now, not looking great. So yes, the video turned out to be a little longer than I wanted. But follow us here on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch-Traders. Please like and subscribe to the channel, or like the video, subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. If this was useful, if you got anything out of this video and would like more content like this, we pump them out daily, and we're just looking to give good lessons from our trades, our good trades, bad trades, our past 6 years of experience, all here for people to learn for free. So please take advantage of that, and hope everyone has a great day, and I'll catch you guys later.